Hello everyone, welcome to SaaS Deal Zone new review video. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at Merlin, a powerful tool that revolutionizes the way to interact with various types of content. Before starting this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SaaS Deal Zone, and join our Facebook group. At SaaS Deal Zone, we create videos about latest SaaS product and lifetime deal that can help you to boost your productivity and streamline your work. Now let's discuss the incredible Merlin AppSumo lifetime deal. If you go to the AppSumo product page, then you can see the AppSumo lifetime deal. By making a one-time payment, you gain access to all Merlin features forever. It's an unbeatable value that you don't want to miss out on, especially considering the time and effort you will save using this powerful tool. So if you want to grab this deal, don't forget to check my video description box. You will get the lifetime deal page. So let's talk about pricing plan. You can see here are the three pricing plan available here: tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. From tier 1 you will get 5000 credit per month. From tier 2 you will get 12,000 credit per month, and from tier 3 you will get 20,000 credit per month. Also tier 2 and tier 3 available on you can use your own API key. So if you want to grab tier 2 or tier 3, you can use your own API key. So let's explore its amazing feature. First of all, let's talk about chat with Merlin feature. So basically, chat with Merlin, this is a you can see here is a box here, and this is an incredible feature, allow you to ask question and receive instant answer from any website. No more endless searching or scrolling through page. Merlin make accessing information a breeze. So if you want to input anything, if you want to input any prompt here, you will get an amazing result from Merlin. So let's try it. So here we input a short prompt. So here we input a short prompt, write a social media post about 5 ways to make money online. Then we just click on the enter. So as you can see, Merlin give us a incredible result instantly. That is unlock the earning potential, unlock your earning potential. Here are the 5 ways to make money online. So this is the 5 ways to make money online, like freelancing, online survey and tasks, create and sell digital product, affiliate marketing, start blog or YouTube channel. This is a short post for our social media. So this is the first amazing feature on Merlin. So as you can see, there are many options and many features available. Like you can upload any document and chat with Merlin. This is another amazing feature on Merlin, right? So let's talk about chat with PDF, right? So if you want to upload here any PDF, so I just click here, upload. So we upload a small PDF file. We upload a PDF, and Merlin already analyzed this PDF and asks Merlin to what is the main topic of this PDF. Then we press enter. Then Merlin will analyze all context on this PDF and give us a quick result. Here you can see Merlin answer us. The main topic of this PDF is search engine optimization for beginner. It covers various aspects of SEO, from understanding how search engine work to choosing the right keyword, creating quality content, and so on, avoiding common mistake, and so on. So that is the main topic here. So yeah, so that is the another amazing feature of Merlin, chat with PDF. You can chat, you can upload any PDF and chat with Merlin to read all content on every PDF. You just upload it here and ask Merlin to key summarize the topic, or what is the main questions or main solution or main problem solution is here. So Merlin will summarize you everything, and you will get all relevant informations. So that would be a this is the another feature of Merlin. So now let's talk about Merlin Chrome extension feature, right? So if we search any from Google, like we search here to how to, so we search here a information which is how to make money with AI. Then you will as you can see here, many result on Google first page, SERP result page. Then we click on it, how to make money with AI in 2024. So you will get a result from elegantthemes.com. Now we don't read all the content from here. So if you are installing Merlin Chrome extension, then you will get this type of shortcut here. Then you can ask Merlin to anything from this page, or you can click the summarization here. Like if you click here, Merlin will summarize all page content from here. So Merlin will summarize everything from here. These all things here you can see 15 topic cover here. So Merlin also summary the whole content, and you will get the result, what is the all topic here, or what topic is covered in here, and you also get the key consideration sections. So yeah, that is the main feature of Merlin Chrome extension. So if you are using Merlin Chrome extension, then you will easily use it, and you can summarize any web page from web, or you can summarize any page anywhere. Just you have to install Google Chrome Merlin extension, and then you will get the pop-up or Merlin extension feature here. Here you can see you are on the free plan, and then you can also use this free tool. Or if you are upgrade your tier like tier 1 or tier 2 or tier 3, then you can also use it from various way, right? So yeah, that's all about Merlin. I think this tool help you to boost your productivity, and you can easily utilize this tool for your daily tasks, right? So once again, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel SaaS Deal Zone, and join our Facebook group to stay connected with our community and never miss an update on the latest SaaS product and lifestyle tip. Thanks for watching.